on the 6 o'clock news. It's now waiting in the mail, addressed to you. It's getting harder and harder to see through the smoke. It's never been easier to overlook. It's getting harder and harder and harder to say these days. But when I see the smile run across your face and the sunrise lights up another day, I believe. I woke up and my whole world changed. You're the kind of love that gives me faith, and I believe.
Tới đây tham dự đám cưới hai bạn và chúc hai bạn trăm năm hạnh phúc.
You won't find it written in the sky. You can't buy to get to it tonight. It's getting harder and harder to see.
Good luck to you. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Sunrise lights up another day. I believe. I woke up and my whole world changed. You're the kind of love that gives me faith, and I believe. Harder to see what's true. It's never been easier when I'm with you. Yeah, it's harder and harder and harder to doubt these days. But when I see the smile run across your face and the sunrise lights up another day, I believe. I woke up and my whole world changed. You're the kind of love that gives me faith, and I believe.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel as though I was not. We danced the night away, we drank too much. And I held your hair back when you were throwing up.
Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest.
What do you think about Vietnam?
I think Vietnam is a great place. I have a good time here, and the people is very kind. Thank you Vietnam for all.
Mình là một người em quen biết của cô dâu và mình thấy cô dâu là một người rất là tốt, cho nên chắc chắn là chị sẽ được hạnh phúc và hai vợ chồng sẽ là trăm năm hạnh phúc, và điều đó chắc chắn sẽ xảy ra và họ sẽ sớm sinh một quý tử thật là đẹp giống như cặp vợ chồng này vậy. Trăm năm hạnh phúc.
With some breakfast in bed, I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. I'll thank my lucky stars for
there for me when I needed you most.
I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise till death we part, like in our vows.
So I wrote this song for